In this video, we are going to be installing a new software called as VirtualBox. So, what is VirtualBox? First off, let me just go to VirtualBox website. So tap on Google Chrome and type in VirtualBox. Enter. And tap on Oracle VM VirtualBox right here. So tap on Oracle VM VirtualBox. So, what is VirtualBox? VirtualBox is a software which will allow you to use more than one operating system in a single computer. So basically, for example, so let me just minimize this. So I'm using Apple OS, that is Apple operating system. Now, VirtualBox is a software which will allow me to use more than one operating system in the same Apple OS. So basically, I can use more than one operating system in a single computer. And you can see how to do that in the next video with the help of VirtualBox. So first off, let's actually download VirtualBox and install it in our computer. So let me just go back to the VirtualBox website. So tap on it. Now, download VirtualBox. So tap on download VirtualBox. Now, as I'm using Apple operating system, I'm going to be tapping on this particular link, that is OS X host. If you're using Windows, then you need to tap on this particular link. So let me just tap on this OS X host as I'm using Apple operating system. So just tap on it, and now the download has started. So let me just come back after the download has completed. So now the download is complete and this is the downloaded file. So now all you need to do is tap on it. So double tap on this so to install VirtualBox in your computer. So if you're using Mac, you need to double tap on this particular icon, and if you're using Windows, you just double tap on the downloaded file and keep on pressing next, and VirtualBox will be installed in your computer. So now as I'm using Mac, I need to tap on this particular icon, double tap on this one and continue, and all I need to do is tap on continue. And if you're using Windows, double tap on the downloaded file and just tap on next, and VirtualBox will be installed in your computer. So now let me just tap on continue, install, and let me just type in my password. So install software, and now the VirtualBox is being installed in my computer. So let me just tap on close. So now the VirtualBox is installed in my computer, and let me just show you where is it. So let me just tap on this close button, and now let me just go back to my dashboard, and you can clearly see that VirtualBox is actually installed in my computer. In the next video, we are going to see how to install an operating system called as Kali Linux, and that is the operating system that we're going to be using to hack Wi-Fi passwords. So see you in the next video.